I just loaded up a ton of stuff into my car. I'm bringing a bunch of stuff to the apartment. My parents and Brayden are actually coming to help me move out and move into the new place. But I figured I just have so much stuff, I should probably do something today. So really quick, I'm just gonna take my stuff to the apartment and drop it all off. Maybe try to put some stuff away, but I'm not gonna be there for very long because I do have an essay to write today and I wanna get it done before tomorrow because like my family's gonna be here and everything. So that's the plan for today. Okay, I'm here. I'm a mess. I just brought all of this stuff in from the car. Now I think I'm gonna bring everything to my room and just unpack all of these boxes so that way I can take them back to my dorm to put more stuff in them and then bring it all back here. Okay, a couple things have been unpacked. I hung up some clothes in my closet and then there's some more over there. These are all the hangers that I brought with me, so I have to wait on these. I just laid them out for now so they're not just like sitting in a huge pile all crumpled up. Stuff in here is mostly sweatshirts. I don't really have a place to put these right now, so they're gonna just have to stay in here. This box is just random shoes. And then this one is a bunch of decorations. Again, I don't really know what to do with all this stuff because it's hard to unpack when you don't really have anywhere to put things. So I don't really know. I do need to like take all this stuff out of the boxes though. Probably all just gonna be sitting on the ground in my room for a while until I have all of like my storage figured out. This little piece of hair is so annoying. It will not just stay down. Ignore that. I also wanted to show you guys this really cute blender that I got. It's all like vintage looking. And then it comes with this little glass and then this one. I'm so excited to make all kinds of like smoothie bowls in it. I also got these glasses in the mail. They have styrofoam on them right now because they were like all packaged up, but they are so cute. They're just these little mugs and they came with these spoons and then these little lids. So I'm thinking I'll put my little smoothie bowls and acai bowls in here in the mornings. So I just took my last dorm shower. That is so weird because tomorrow night I'll be showering at my apartment and sleeping there and everything, and then I'll be full-time living there. Like what? It's freaking me out. This is just so weird. I have so much I could say, like reminiscing on the time here. Like I just remember sitting on this windowsill the first night, there was nothing on it, and just like looking out the window, talking on the phone to my best friend and my parents and stuff, like just crying, freaking out because I was so terrified of just being alone out here and living away from family and home and everything. And now I'm moving out of this place. Like, oh my gosh, I just don't even know how to process this right now. I'm like so weirded out. Now is actually the time that I can take down all of my decorations, which is like so sad. I'm probably gonna wait till tomorrow morning for a lot of it, but I'll probably get as much done as I can tonight. I'll probably take this down. I'll take down my YouTube plaque. Maybe, I don't know, I don't even want to take anything down yet because then it's gonna like feel really weird sleeping in here. I don't know. Because there's so much that I've been waiting to pack until like the last day, like my shower stuff. I can now pack that because I'm not gonna shower again while I'm here. There's a lot of stuff that I haven't been able to pack because I've needed it, but it's getting to the point where I can now pack all of that stuff. It's just all hitting me right now. I'll give you guys an update on my room right now. So my closet for the most part is pretty empty. There's my laundry. These I'll just take as they are. I'm not gonna like pack them, and then I'll throw this stuff all in like a box tonight. There was a ton of stuff under my bed. It looks messy right now, but there's way less stuff than before. This is like basically empty. It's crazy. This area of the room pretty much looks the same except for the windowsill. I took down a lot of the stuff that was right there. And then here's all the empty boxes from earlier. So I think it's time to start packing. Okay, room update. I did a lot of packing, honestly more than I thought I was going to. It feels so bare right now. It's so weird. So over here, I packed all the stuff that was right here. I packed my skincare box. I still need to do my makeup one. Took down this thing, took down the Polaroids. I just remembered I need to take down my hanging plants. I cannot forget to do that. I took a bunch of little decorations off the desk, put away my heart pillow. I emptied these out. All that's left under my bed are these these empty boxes and then these two that are just staying the way they are. These are completely empty. This drawer is completely empty. And then in this one, I just saved these two things just in case I needed them for anything tomorrow. And then this one still does have all my hair stuff in it, but I don't want to have to use any of that tomorrow and like unpack it, so I'm just gonna pack that stuff tomorrow. I don't know if I have the heart to take down my collage wall tonight because that is just so sad. Same with my YouTube plaque. And then I need to keep the mirrors up just for when I'm getting ready and stuff. But yeah, all of these boxes are full. This suitcase is full. That one is full. That bag is full. I saved a duffel bag and a backpack just in case I needed to put anything in there. And then I can fill up those IKEA bags if I need to. So for the rest of the night, I'm gonna try to work on my essay for a bit longer. Probably like 2/3 of the way done. And it's honestly pretty easy because I like the subject that I'm writing about. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my closet. I took down my little hook that was holding my robe and my towel. I also need to remember to take my mirror down. All that's left in here is my laundry bag, these two storage things, and then some clothes for tomorrow. There's nothing on the top shelf. Actually, yes there is. This thing for my vacuum. Also my face wash and my toothbrush. I'll use that tomorrow morning. And yeah, after that, all that's left is just the last little bit of decor and my bedding. I actually cannot believe this right now. This is so surreal. I'll see you guys tomorrow for move out day. What is going on? You guys, I just said bye to Jade. Like, what is going on? She's probably gonna be gone like all day because she has a music video that she's doing, which is so cool. Also, if you didn't know, Jade is my roommate. She wasn't really in my videos because I get scared to film in front of people. There's literally only like 2 people that I'm not scared to film in front of. Probably like Rachel and Brayden. So most of the time when I was filming in my room, I was alone. So if you're wondering like where's her roommate and like why is she never there, that's why. I don't think it's processed that like I'm not gonna see her for like a really long time. Okay, well, I got ready. I did my makeup and straightened my hair a little bit because it was kind of weird. And now it's actually time to start packing up my stuff. So my makeup is all packed in these bags. I threw my hair stuff in my backpack and I just need to get the rest of like the random stuff that's in my room. So now I can really actually pack like everything because I'm gonna be leaving in like an hour or something. So in an hour, my side of the room will be completely bare, which is so sad. And I'm gonna try not to rant right now because I feel like I've said this a million times in this vlog, but I was so miserable first semester living here. I hated it. But then second semester was just so much better. I really wasn't expecting to like it here and to actually be sad that I'm moving out. It's just so weird looking back on everything because I'm just such a completely different person now than I was when I moved in here. I don't know, it's just, it's sad. Last night, my friends and I just hung out in Nicole and Kaylin's room, which is on the other side of this wall if you were wondering. I can actually like say like even my room number if I wanted to now because I don't live here by the time you guys are watching this. I can just show a lot more. Like I would never vlog in like the hallway because I didn't want people to see like the room numbers. I wouldn't even really show the outside of my dorm building that much. Like I don't know why because you guys probably know where I go to school. But anyways, yeah, we hung out in their room last night and they were just packing up their stuff and everything and we were just all sitting there and we all shed a few tears. It was so sad and I'm like actually so nervous to say bye to them. I will be so surprised if I don't cry. Okay, enough ranting. I feel like I've gone on so many rants in this video, but it's just because it's such like an emotional thing for me. I don't know, it's just such a big deal because of everything that I went through in this bedroom. I don't know, I really can't think about it anymore because I'm gonna get even more emotional. So let's start packing. Okay, official update in the room. This is probably my last time actually like vlogging here, talking to the camera because the rest of it is probably gonna be like a big montage of us moving everything out. Here's the room. Everything has been taken off the walls. Everything is unplugged and empty. Jade is leaving tomorrow. But yeah, I am going to go meet my parents. They should be getting here any minute. So we're gonna go get our cars and bring them to the front of the building so we can start like packing everything up. So yeah, I will talk to you guys when we get to the apartment.